Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a what's in my everyday makeup bag for the month of July. I can't believe we're already in July. It's been a year. So I'm going to share with you guys the products that I have been using a lot in June and I'm going to continue to use, or new items I'm going to be working on and using in the month of July. A lot of these items are tried and true products, and I have some products that I have been playing with a lot recently. So let's get started with how I apply my makeup. I always go in with my eyeshadow primer. This is the Milani eyeshadow primer in the shade Nude. This is the perfect eyeshadow primer, and it's a drugstore, it's affordable, it is perfect for the summertime, no creasing, kind of helps everything kind of come together on your lids, like discolors it, makes it all like one shade. It's beautiful. It makes my eyeshadows last. If you haven't tried an eyeshadow primer before, check it out. If you've tried the Urban Decay ones and you like those, check it out, because I have been converted from the Urban Decay original eyeshadow primers and the anti-aging one to this one, and I love it. So definitely check it out. Eyeshadows, you guys know for this year I am panning my Marc Jacobs Scandalist eyeshadow palette, and I've been now incorporating my Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I share with you guys my progress of these eyeshadows in my eyeshadow palette update, so I will link that in the cards for you above. Really been enjoying these, and yeah, I'm really excited to share with you guys my progress on those if you haven't seen it already. So moving on, my next thing is face, and I've really been reaching for my Smashbox Cam Ready BB Cream in SPF 35 shade Light. Guys, I love this stuff so much. I've gone through so many of them, and you know, I was just pulling out my stuff and I don't think I have a backup of it, so I'm slightly freaking out. I do know you can get it from Amazon though, so I'll probably do that. But this is so good. I love that it has SPF. It is what I am wearing all over my face now. Light to medium coverage, and it does a really good job, so I've been using that. Also been using the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. What I don't like about this is I need a SPF, so I have been reaching for my Coola face sunscreen a lot when I use this, but I like the way this looks on my face. So concealer, Tarte Double Duty Tarte Shape Tape, pretty much, guys. It's the light neutral shade. That's the same shade I got in this one as well. I love it. It's really perfect to just pat on your back of your hand, use your finger and just pat it on under your eyes, on any blemishes, things like that. This is so perfect. Love that. To set everything, Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. I am obsessed with Essence. Gone through so many of these, and it looks stark white, but it's definitely translucent. I have Hint Pan. I'm definitely going to need a backup of this. I do have a backup. This is the NYX HD Finishing Powder. I haven't tried that one out before, so maybe I'll try it out after I finish up this one. But love this. And then for setting my under eyes, I don't do this all the time, but I do like to have it in this bag. It's their Brighten Up Banana Powder, and this is kind of a pale yellow powder that you just kind of apply under your eyes. And when I do that, I get either this brush, which is my Sigma Precision Flat Angled, to kind of tap in the powder to my under eyes, or I use my SL Mist Glam Small Contour W070 just to kind of brush it under my eyes. Just helps brighten up your under eyes and bring some luminosity to it and not look cakey, things like that. So this is a pretty nice product. Another powder that I use when I'm hanging out with girls, going out to dinner, because things are starting to open up, I reach for my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Dim Light. Y'all may be so sick of me like talking about this powder. I've used a couple of them before, and this month I have hit pan on this powder, which is so sad, but I mean, it shows you guys how much I love this stuff. Gives a nice luminosity to your face, a nice glow without looking like you have highlighter or sweat or too dewy, things like that on your face. It is the perfect setting powder for me. It gives my skin such a nice glow that looks healthy. I love this, so I always reach for this when I have like a special date night, occasion, things like that. This is my go-to. Bronzer is my Hotel Heiress Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I love waterproof bronzers. It definitely lasts a little bit longer, especially if you're like working out in the sun like some gyms are doing, and pool, beach, things like that, or just like humid at the beach. This is perfect. I love it. It's a good shade for me, especially for the summertime. And yeah, super easy and is in my makeup basket for this month. Blush, y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but I have been reaching for my Essence Mosaic blush. Essence is not sponsoring this video, but I have been obsessed with them and continue to use them. I have hit pan on them earlier, not this month, and I definitely think I might be able to finish this up. I have to kind of strayed away from my Becca face palette. If you know that I've been working on that this year and really reaching for this a lot more. It's just a really pretty, subtle kind of pink, if you can see it on. There it is right there. I'm not wearing it today. The other thing I wear for blush is the hot pink shade from my Marc Jacobs Scandalous. That's what is my blush today. But I've really been reaching for those a lot more. I don't know if I'm just getting tired of pulling out that big Becca palette or not, but that is what I've been homing in on this past month and continuing for this next one. Highlight is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. I don't know. I must have a thing about Essence right now. I am obsessed and this is so pretty. I am wearing it as my highlight today. Really liking it. I should do like my top Essence products, and pretty much that's what's in this makeup basket, but I love Essence right now and that is the highlight that I'm wearing today. Also use it on a pencil brush to kind of top any of my eyeshadow looks, especially since I don't have the bright shade in my Marc Jacobs one anymore. I use that up and I've been reaching for this a lot and really enjoying it. Finish up eyes, I use my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. I love this stuff. I actually think I'm going to need a new one at the end of this month because it's getting so old. I have a couple other liners though back stock that I can try out and pull out, but this is my favorite one. I like to have one of these in my makeup basket whenever I need a good liner. I'm not a pencil liner lover, definitely liquid for me. Mascara, CoverGirl Clump Crusher. This is the water resistant kind in Intense Black or Very Black, and I love it because it has the kind of butterfly wand, so you can scoop up your lashes and then push them up. And I've noticed that it lasts at the pool, a beach, like a hot humid day, things like that. I have rubbed my eyes and it doesn't look super crazy like some other mascaras that I have tried in the past. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but this one does the job. I love it. I also have another one of these in my car as well for whenever I'm going somewhere, didn't put on any makeup, want to put on a concealer and a mascara. This is in my car. Essence Make Me Brow Gel Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Guys, this stuff is so good. I use it all the time. I've gone through a couple of them. It's like a teeny tiny brush, and what you do is just kind of apply it into your eyebrows, brings your eyebrows together, doesn't get them all crazy lion maned untamed mess. It tames the beast, gives a nice like light brown sheer tint to them. There's different colors as well. Color I have is brownie brows, and guys, I always use this. Didn't use it too much at the beach, but I love to use it for every day. It is in my brows now. And then lip products. I have two sunscreen type products. One is the Coola Lip Lux Sunscreen in Original. It's SPF 30. And this is awesome to kind of just apply under your lip product or on its own if you're going to the beach, things like that. If you want a little bit more of a tint, they do make the tinted lip balms that have SPF in it. And the color I have is Skinny Dip. And I've really been enjoying this. I wore it a lot to the beach and I will continue to wear it to when I'm going any kind of outdoor thing. But then again, guys, we're like in quarantine. We now are required to wear face masks, so may not be wearing this. I don't know, can you get sunburn under a cotton face mask? Let me know in the comments down below, but we're currently forced to wear face masks for a while, so I have that. And then two other lip products. Charlotte Tilbury, this is Pillow Talk. Guys, love this. I wear it around the house. I'm so obsessed. Just a really creamy pinky nude kind of shade. I love it. I got it from the Sephora sale and I am obsessed with it. Wear it all the time. And then summertime, I've been reaching for the Bare Minerals liquid lipstick in Slay. What's on my lips today, and this was perfect to take to the beach with me or anywhere that's extremely hot temperatures. You can even leave this in your car as your car product. And yeah, I love this stuff. I will continue to use it, and I am getting really close to being done. I think the product is right here, which is really sad. I'm gonna have to get a new lip product. Can you see that? So I'm like down to there, down to there. I don't go through lip product too much, but quarantine has made me obsessed with this product. And that is everything for what is in my makeup bag. Y'all have asked me about where I got this makeup bag in the past. It was from an old Tarte Christmas holiday collection. It came with like a palette, blush, all that kind of stuff. So I've just been using that because it's just really nice and convenient. I can put it on my vanity, and then I don't have to go through all the drawers to figure out what I'm doing on an everyday basis. Everything for what's in my everyday makeup basket for the month of July. Let me know what products you have been using very frequently in the comments down below. I love to try new items, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.